In today's video, I'll show you how to replace the band on your TIMEX NeuroFit Waveband 2. If you have this Piston X TIMEX band and want to replace the band on it, it's best to first open the strap, remove it like that, pull it all out, and then you'll find this part here at the top. Has this little hole. You can put your fingernail through it and remove this little plastic part. From now on, you can just take it off by sliding it towards the other side of the open part, right? So this is the part that was open. So towards the front of the screen, if I slide it out, it will get removed. And that way you can put a new band on basically the same way. With this plastic part removed, you can slide it on. It slides on pretty easily. Then take this part, and you can see it has those rounded edges, rounded corners on two sides, and they just need to align with the rounded corners here. So I'll put it like that. So the rounded corners are facing away from the watch body. And there it is. It's now on. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.